So A, B, C are taking part in a game in which price is hidden in one of n identical closed boxes, where n is bigger than 4. So there's a sequence. A opens at random 2 boxes in an attempt to find the price. Then B opens at random 2 remaining boxes in an attempt to find the price. And if A fails to find, then only B opens. Then if B fails, then only C opens. So meaning to say C only get a chance if A and B fail. So it's quite a short end of the stick, I feel. So find in terms of n the probability that A finds the price. I think the first thing is to understand the question, and you just draw the tree diagram first. I feel okay. Typically, if I don't have a tree diagram, I feel very unease. Yeah, I'll just draw it out. So we see this is like a same thing. I think it's a cascading tree also, because yeah, this is B. So F means found, and B just means not found. Is it with replacement or without replacement? So remaining boxes just means no replacement. Okay, great. So we look at the this is how this will turn out to be. So the first one, A opens at random to find the price. Okay. Find in terms of n the probability that A finds the price. So meaning we want to find this box here. It will be 1 over n, right? This is the one box that contains a price. Then they draw, because you pick 2 in one single attempt. So 1 over n minus 1 over the other one would be diminishing. So it's 1 over n. Then times 2 factorial. You need to remember to arrange the tree diagram. It can be, he chose a price, a box with the price, then a box without the price, or without the price, then the price or sequence of events. So this will be 2 over n. So for part 2, I think the tree diagram is ever more important. So you want 2n, right? Meaning to say you want to find this probability. Okay, because we already found that this is 2 over n. Then obviously this is 1 minus 2 over n. But if you simplify this, 1 minus 2 over n will be we write it down. N minus, I just put it in a single fraction. Okay, now because it's the remaining boxes, so you will start off with n minus 2 boxes, right? Right. So you do the same thing as what you do just now, which is this is n minus 2 boxes. Instead you do with the same thing as the way you do with A, but now this one will start with n minus 2. That's all. So that would be, you find the branch for this guy. Then because you want to find, then you just multiply, you get the answer. Yeah, so that's what I'll do. This branch here is B finds given A did not find. So you can just write this as you start with n minus 2, 1 times n minus 3, n minus 3, right? Then times 2 factorial. Just 2 over n minus 2. You take n minus 2, this one, times this guy. Okay, that's what you need. It's only 1 mark, so yeah, this is 2 n minus 2. You take n, multiply by 2 n minus 2. This will be 2 over n. Okay, there you go. I mean, yeah. I think for part 3, you want to find the range of value for n for which the probability of C finding the price is more than 8 times probability of A or B finding the price. Okay. What you need to do is then you do the same thing, because you see the first part they ask you to find this guy, right? Second part they ask you to find this guy. So actually conclusively you should know that you should find this probability first, because you want to find the probability of C, which is this entire thing here. You find this entire probability here is more than 8 times the probability of these 2 branches together. That's all they ask you to find. Yeah, so you find this guy. Part C, you because for part A you have you start with n cards, n boxes. Then n minus 2, n minus 1 times 2 factorial. So for part B, you have n minus 2 to n minus 3 times 2 factorial here. So for C, you expect it to be n minus 4. n minus 4. So this can be the price. or you don't get the price. Not getting the price will be n minus 4 lah. So same thing, this is 2 factorial. So this will be 2 over n minus 4. So that's why I think shouldn't be like assuming that it's, I'm not sure if it's 2n, I don't know. Okay, so this will be probability of, so this guy, to get probability of C drawing the card will be this multiplied by this lah. So we just take 1 minus 2 over n minus 2 over here. Okay, I'm gonna just take this, multiply by this one, multiply by this one. Okay, to find the probability of C finding the price. You're right, I mistake. This is n minus 5. Good lah, that we check that this is 2 over n, because I don't know whether PC found the price is 2 over n also, but I just found it is 2 over n. So this is what you need. A or B will mean that you just sum the two probability here, because you want this to sum them out here. Okay, so 8 times of A or B, but thankfully A or B will just means C found the price is 2 over n. A or B will be 2 over n plus 2 over n. Okay, so we need to find this probability. So we cancel away. My misinterpretation of the question, sorry. So C opens all the remaining boxes and find the price. So meaning to say you don't even need this one. So essentially C will find the price here. This is 100%. I didn't read that part there. Okay, so this is 100%. C opens all the prices. So essentially, I don't even need to do all these. This is 100%. So anyway, I'm gonna just erase this entire thing here. Okay. So this guy. So C doesn't find. Oh, then it's much easier. This part 3. This guy will be. Put it up. C found will be where you take 1 minus PA, P or B. Yeah, then this makes sense. Okay. 1 minus 2 over n plus 2 over n bigger than 8 over n. I need 1 minus 4 over n. 32 over n. So because n is a positive number, you can multiply both sides by n. Oh, this is a good 3 marks. This guy is n, 36. Because you cannot include 36. So you need to, so you say find the range. Yeah, you find the range means you write the range law. Yeah, the range of value is okay. So you can obviously put the integer value there lah, but this is the answer that they want, the range of value. So n integer value also can, but I mean it's known to be integer value lah, so this is not really like, you can just write n more than 36 enough. So for part B, I think there are too many gibberish going on. I think we'll just draw the Venn diagram and just label everything out. So to solve for x, right? So if Q and R, okay, I'm gonna just draw the Venn diagram out. This guy will be Q and R, and this is a universal set. So Q intersect R is x, so I'm gonna put x here. Okay, done. Then Q intersect R prime, which is this guy here, this crescent here. Q intersect R prime is 0.1, so I'm gonna put this as 0.1. Okay, done. Then Q prime intersect R is equals to PQ. This crescent here equals to PQ, which is this guy lah. Okay, PQ is 0.1 plus x, right? So I'm gonna just put here 0.1 plus x. Okay, then we were told that Q union R prime is outside lah. Okay, is equals to PQ plus 2PR. So essentially, but you can find P outside, right? Outside it'll be 100%. You take 1 minus of these two, these 3, you get outside. So I'm gonna write this down. So I got the outside here as 0.8 minus 2x. So then I'm gonna use this equation. Here what we get is This guy will be 0.8 minus 2x. PQ will be 0.1 plus x. PR is x plus 0.1 plus x. Then I'm just gonna solve for x. That's it. Okay. So I got x is 1 over 14. That's it. Okay. Great. Okay, so I think part A and B are not related. So yeah, for part B, just draw the Venn diagram. Okay, solve it.